VEG TV here with LilMama. LilMama is one of the models that modeled in the VEG Ringtone event. And I want to introduce you to Lanice.
I thought it was LilMama.
Well, introduce you to Lil Niece, Lil Niece. You know, Lil Niece, LilMama, they two different people, but I believe one of them is a really good person.
Both of them are a good person. Don't listen to him.
So, during the past 8-9 months, we have been doing some events, fashion, music, and I want to know, how did you get involved?
He was stalking me, y'all. Met him at the football club,
right?
Actually, watching football, and I don't know, he just, I don't know, gravitated to me some kind of way. I don't know what it was, but
it was the VEG Ringtone, all that good movement stuff.
It was something, and you know, I think he started to send the ladies after me after so long. So
I did.
Hey.
I sent a few people. I said, go get her. We need her to model for the event.
I did it. I liked it. So
you liked it?
I did. I loved it.
Is that right? So what was your your whole thing about mindset? How did you get your mindset to do all this?
My mind actually was not set. I was nervous because I've never done it before, but it's something I've always wanted to try. So I was just me.
Is it something you'll do again?
Most definitely.
Right on, right on. Well, as you was modeling and everything, did like after you modeled and you know the show was over with, were there people that approached you about modeling, or about they seen you modeling, or they talk something about the modeling about you?
I actually have.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, at least two.
Right on,
two
right on.
People. One of them was actually one of the guys that performed.
Okay.
And he was talking about me helping him do one of his shows. He was opening up for 112, I believe.
Okay.
And I mean,
Dolly.
Yeah.
Right, right. Yeah, yeah.
And we ended up losing contact. So.
Cool. Well, that's what this is all
cool.
about. This is what it's all about, is making connections, connecting with folks, and then also being able to be advancing some of the things that you're really good at, that you may not even know you're really good at, but you can advance and you can meet people. And just like the video, they probably lost contact, but the video may have not happened yet because of the quarantine thing and all that. So it'll probably come right back. But this is about connecting with great energy, great people, and building.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, was there any artists that were like, you know, really good artists?
I like Dolly.
Okay.
Dolly was dope.
Dolly is dope.
I like Dolly. Dolly was dope. Dolly is fresh and clean.
Oh yeah.
He got his own little vibe. I love it. I was definitely vibing with Dolly.
Yeah, his get up is like, you know, he's like a real artist. I mean, he looks the part, he walks the part, and I love him.
Yeah, he was cool. I mean, even after sitting down talking to him and everything, like everything, and vibe, everything is just dope.
Right.
You're a real dope person. But other than that, like we didn't really get to, as far as us being models, we didn't really get to see the show. You know,
Right.
we didn't actually get to see the show. So it was just bits and pieces where we were actually be able to listen or something like that. But, you know, we heard a lot of the comedians and, you know, stuff like that. It was pretty dope. I liked it.
So how do you like the outfits that you were wearing, that you were modeling?
Oh, yes.
I heard you liked one outfit so much that you wanted to take it with you.
I did.
All right, all right.
And she wouldn't let me have it.
Wow. So, you know, the VEG Ringtone is a huge movement, and it also has the beautiful gears. You can see, let them see the pants, and you can just like stand up really fast so they can see the VEG Ringtone on the pants and all of that good stuff. Yeah. So yeah, we actually have events that's going to be coming up. We don't know how we're going to do this because, you know, the way the quarantine thing is, when people come back, we just got to see what it's going to be like. So to everybody that's out there, we bless everybody and hope that everybody's doing well. And, you know, I know families have went through some tragedies of losing people, but we pray for everybody's family and hope that things get well down the line. But we're going to close this interview out here with LilMama. You got any last words?
No, just support. Go ahead and support y'all. Dope Gear. Even though he a stalker, still support people.
See, that's the hustle in it. What they don't understand is when I get out there, I mean, I ain't letting loose. It's the hustle. It's what the girls used to call it back in the day. He's persistent.
Yes.
He's just so persistent, and he won't stop.
Yeah.
And that's the way you get things done. Is staying persistent and getting it done. VEG TV signing off. We'll see y'all next week. Peace, and we out.